Men over 60 want to wake up with stronger erections and feel confident in bed again? There's a simple nighttime drink that could help you perform better starting tonight. This natural mix works by restoring blood flow where it matters most using 2 proven ingredients and 1 spicy twist most men completely overlook. I'm Dr. Senior Men's Health, and for 15 years, I've helped men like you reclaim energy, drive, and confidence naturally and effectively. If you stay till the end, drop 1 in the comments if this sounds valuable. If not, drop 0. This helps us know exactly where and how to serve you better. And if you're ready to age powerfully and naturally, hit that subscribe button right now. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's talk about the drink. The first ingredient is beetroot powder. Not the raw beet you slice up at dinner. I'm talking about concentrated beetroot powder, which contains a powerful compound called nitrate. Your body converts nitrate into nitric oxide, the same molecule Viagra tries to manipulate. But here's the difference: nitric oxide from beets is natural, safe, and works with your body's systems. When nitric oxide increases, your blood vessels relax and open up, allowing more blood to flow, including to the areas that matter most in the bedroom. And the best part? Beetroot has been shown to improve stamina and oxygen use during workouts, which means better energy and endurance in every part of life, even in bed. Now here's where most men stop and where you get ahead. The second ingredient is ginger, not just for cooking or digestion, but for blood flow and testosterone support. Ginger contains gingerol, which supports healthy blood sugar, reduces oxidative stress, and has been linked to increased testosterone levels in some studies. It also enhances circulation and helps reduce inflammation in blood vessels, keeping them supple and strong. Combined with beetroot powder, ginger acts like a natural amplifier, improving blood flow even more while helping your body balance hormones for stronger, more consistent performance. But we're not done. This third twist is what makes this drink truly potent: cayenne pepper. Just a pinch. Cayenne contains capsaicin, the compound that gives it that heat, and it stimulates thermogenesis and improves circulation almost instantly. It also helps reduce arterial plaque and increases nitric oxide levels even further, acting as a vasodilator that widens blood vessels and gets things moving. When you combine beetroot for nitric oxide, ginger for hormonal and circulatory support, and cayenne for rapid vascular expansion, you've got a powerhouse drink that can change your night starting today. Here's how to make it. Take 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and just a pinch of cayenne. Mix it into a warm glass of water or unsweetened almond milk about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Stir well, sip slowly, and let nature do its thing. And listen, this won't work like a pill. It's not a quick fix, it's a real fix. Give it at least 7 days to feel the full benefits, and combine it with proper hydration, a short nightly walk, and deep breathing to amplify the results. Over time, this simple habit can support your heart, energy, and yes, your performance. If you've made it this far, I know you're serious about your health. Type "I'm in" the comments if you're going to try this. Subscribe for more natural tips that work with your body, not against it. And remember, it's not about age, it's about action. You've got this.